In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install Mozilla Firefox on your computer. This is perfect if you are switching browsers or installing Firefox for the first time. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website of Firefox, which is going to be firefox.com. Here, as you can see, there is an option to download Firefox by clicking this blue button, and all I have to do is super simple. Download the file, save it, and then go to the top corner where you can see that there is like a download or arrow button. I want you to click on it so that you can locate the Firefox installer. And then all I have to do is super simple. Double click, and a new window will appear, and all I have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. Firefox will now start installing automatically. No complicated setup needed. Just wait a few seconds while the installation completes. And of course, you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet. Okay? And then all I have to do, once it's installed, click the done button. Okay, it may take a little while. And there you have it. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to download and install Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.